Mark, thanks. Later this month, state lawmakers will gather in Nashville for this year's legislative session. News Channel 11's Brody Wilson spoke with representatives from Northeast Tennessee to gauge their priorities for 2026. Brody?
Yeah, Sarah, the lawmakers that I spoke with today each said that the new budget will take most of the discussion, but they don't expect this session to be as drawn out as it has been in years past.
It will be a year where the legislature will probably go in, pass a budget, and get out.
Representative David Hawk of Greene County also serves as the chairman for the House Subcommittee on Transportation. He and Washington County's Tim Hicks say they've gotten the most feedback from constituents about continuing road projects.
Northeast Tennessee is growing. I'm very concerned about how people move around our county and our city. So I want to do all I can in those conversations.
As the state of Tennessee, that $4.3 billion over 3 years was non-recurring. I'd like to see that become a recurring stream of revenue to where we could rely on an additional $1 billion of funding for transportation needs over time.
Vouchers will be a major topic of discussion as well. Hawk says the majority of his district is against the voucher program, so he'll remain against expansion, while Hicks would like to see more families given the opportunity to use it.
You know, I think it needs to be looked at. We had a lot of parents apply and didn't get it, so it's a popular, to most of the public, it's a very popular thing, and I think that we'll be taking a look at it, and I'll be happy to try to expand it some.
As for rural health care, Sullivan County Representative Bud Halsey knows something will need to be done.
But I've had people tell me just yesterday that their commercial insurance is going up 400%. I don't see how people survive that.
Tim Hicks says they're looking at ways to be creative with the $200 million the state is expected to receive as part of the Rural Transformation Act.
And we have to put that money to good use. Northeast Tennessee has really struggled with health issues for a long time, and it's time to really try to put together a comprehensive plan.
And David Hawk hopes to look to medical professionals to point them in the right direction.
If you could create a better mousetrap for delivery of medical services, what would you do? And we're going to be listening to medical providers as they suggest how we can be better in Northeast Tennessee.
The legislative session opens in Nashville at noon on January 13th. I also spoke with each of the lawmakers about Helene recovery funds and if they'll be included in this year's budget as well. The full story can be viewed over at our website, WJHL.com. Sarah?